Hi everyone, this is Sai Manas Varnasi, co-founder of Bikkgane Biryani. Want to show you really authentic South Indian cuisines which are made at our kitchen. Today I am going to show you the recipe of Andhra Chicken Fry Biryani, which is most popular in South India. Do cook, let us know your feedbacks. Your comments are very appreciable. We require fine quality of basmati rice and soak it for 2 hours so that the rice becomes longer. Take 1 kg of fresh chicken. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and mix it well. Marinate the chicken for a while so that the chicken gets softened by the spices. Ingredients required for garam masala: red chili whole, coriander seeds, dalchini, sajira, cloves, ilachi, pepper, jeera, and kasturi methi. Toss them over a fry pan with a low flame. Then the aroma released by the spices, keep it aside for 5 minutes to cool down. Grind them into fine powder. Then the garam masala is ready. Now take the marinated chicken into the pressure cooker. Add some water. Cook it up to 1 whistle. Now take a bowl of oil, ghee, mirchi, we need to slit in between, pudina, salt, curry leaf, coriander, ginger garlic paste. Required spices for the rice preparation: Javitri is the main ingredient for aroma, shajira, bay leaf, nutmegger, cinnamon stick, kasturi methi, ilachi, clove, star anise, and stone flower. Add ghee and oil in equal proportions. While it's heating up, add the spices. Let the spices release the flavors, then add green chilies. Add curry leaves to enhance the flavors of south. Fry them for a while. Add pudina, ginger garlic paste. Please make sure it's on lower flame. For every 1 cup of basmati rice, we should add 1.5 cup of water. Add salt to the water. Make sure water should be salty. Once the rice is added, it gives a proper balance. Add some coriander leaves. Wait until the water starts boiling. Now add soaked rice into the flavored boiling water. Close the lid and let it cook on high flame up to 1 whistle. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. Meanwhile, let's prepare our chicken fry. Open the lid. Chicken has been cooked well. Now take the fry pan, add some oil. While oil is getting heated, add kasturi methi, shai jeera, clove, ilachi and cinnamon stick. When the spices release the flavors, add onions with 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Wait for a while so that the onions turns into a nice golden brown color. Now add the chicken which was already boiled. Mix it for some time such that moisture is evaporated. Then add green chilies, curry leaves, 3 tablespoons of garam masala which was prepared earlier. Then add some red chili powder. Add salt accordingly. Mix it well. Please cook on low flame such that chicken starts becoming blackish in color. Now our chicken fry is ready on one side. Biryani is ready on the other side. Now you can see the rice with good length and aroma. Now your chicken fry based biryani is ready to eat.